Now after constructing both of my bridges, it was now time to put them to the tensile test. Now the tensile test was going to help me determine the reactional forces, the shear stress, and the bending moment. So in order to do the tensile test, I got both of my bridges and placed them open in an open area, which was, I just got two chairs as the two support systems and separated them and put down tapes to hold them down, and they were openly placed openly. And then I was able to get household appliances and weigh them to get the amount of weight. And then once I got the amount of weight, I would put the item on both the bridges, on both prototypes, in the exact same determined location, and I would just observe if it would handle the load of weight. And if it would, I would go on to a heavier load and I would weigh it and I would weigh it until ultimately the point is to get until it cannot sustain the weight. And once it sustains the weight, that will be the maximum weight it was able to hold. And with that, I would be able to more or less draw up a free body diagram for both bridges and find out the shear stress, the bending moment, and along with the weight of the bridge, find out the reactional forces. So after constructing these, I will see how the different materials were affected by the weight and see if one was able to hold more, or if one was able to hold less, or if they were more or less able to hold the same. But this will more or less give us an idea on how materials differ and how they hold up when they are given the exact same workload. So yeah, so we're going to place them open. We're going to place them on two open areas, and I'm going to be placing the same household items on them after recording the weight and placing them and seeing how they observe until they ultimately fail to hold the weight. And once they fail to hold the weight, I'll record it, and then from there we will draw up the free body diagrams and get the reaction forces for both bridges. But yes, and then on the next video you will be able to see the videos of the straws holding the weight. And then yeah, on the videos you will see the holding some weight, and then you'll see it holding the maximum weight where it's no longer able to hold the weight. And then yes.